Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest Refashion idea you've probably ever seen. Today we're going to take some basic leggings and turn them into a long sleeve crop top. To do this, all you're going to do is cut out the crotch of some basic old leggings. I made about an 8-inch hole, and then I flipped it over, chose what side was going to be my front, and cut about a 2-inch section down, and then trimmed it out to create a nice even scoop. That way the front part of your shirt is a little bit different than the back. To make the project even easier, I trimmed out the seam that was on one side of my edge as well. Now you can leave your leggings just like this and it will be 100% functional as a shirt. But for me, I like to finish things off, so I chose this 1-inch fold-over elastic and I just pinned it all the way around that open seam. Using a fold-over elastic is super simple. All you're going to do is take that elastic, fold it over each side so that your raw edge is completely encased, pin it in place, and then sew it together. To finish it off, I trim it to be a nice little V. That way, when I tuck it in a little bit and then wrap it around that other raw elastic, it finishes off really nicely. Your last step is to use a regular straight stitch on a standard sewing machine. Just be sure you stretch your shirt out. And then you're done. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out more projects on creativefashionblog.com.